Hello dear children, welcome back to yet another class of subject computer. Today we will take chapter number 4 of your book and the name of the chapter is keyboard. In this chapter you will learn more about keyboard. You already know that keyboard is a device which is used to enter words, numbers and typing purpose. But in this class you will learn more about keyboard. Children, you know that all the buttons that you see on the keyboard are called keys, right? And we press these keys with our fingers to print that particular alphabet or number. Now let us learn more about these keys. First type of keys are alphabet keys, which have all the alphabet on them like Q, W, E, R, T, as you can see on the screen. These are called alphabet keys and these are used for typing words on computer. Now the second type is number keys, where you can see the numbers printed on them, and these are number keys. We use them for typing numbers when we want to enter any numbers or digits in a computer. Also we have two types of number keys, one the number keys and the second one the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard. Other than that, we have arrow keys also on the keyboard, and these are used for moving the cursor upwards, downwards, left and right. Next type of keys are symbol keys. Children, if you have observed, on number keys we have one more symbol printed. That means we have several keys on which two things are printed. So there are few keys on which different symbols are printed. Those are called symbol keys. Now how we can type these, that we will learn later, because that we will do with the help of shift key. So we will learn in this class later how to actually print the symbol keys on the computer. Next, function keys. Children, since you are in class 2, but as you will move further in your classes, you will learn more about these keys. These keys are actually called function keys because these are shortcut for some work, for some function in the computer. So you will learn more about them. But for the timing, you should know that we have function keys from F1, F2, F3 to F12. We have total 12 function keys. Another type of keys on keyboard are enter keys. Enter is written on them or printed on them. These are used when we want to enter into some file or folder, or when we want to come to the new line. These are several types of enter keys which you can see on your computer. Next is caps lock. These are used when you want to type in capital letters, big letters. For example, if I have typed, here you can observe, if I have typed let us type in small but I want it to be in capitals, I will press the caps lock key on the keyboard with my finger, and then whatever I will type will get typed in capital letters. Next, delete key. Now children, here you have to pay attention. Delete key works to the right side of the cursor. Suppose I wanted to type let us type, but by mistake I have written let up type. Now I want to remove let up I want to remove, and then I want to type us. For that I will place my cursor before up, because the delete key will work on the right side. It will move, it will erase all the characters on the right side. So after that, after placing my cursor, I will press the delete key 2 times and it will get erased. Now I can type us and I am done. Similarly, we have backspace key. Same, backspace key is also used to erase the characters, but it works in opposite direction. That means it works to the back side. It goes to the left side. As delete key erases to the right side of the cursor, the backspace key erases to the left side of the cursors. That is the main difference between them. Suppose I have written let up type, and now I want to erase up and type us. For that, I will place my cursor after up, and then I will press backspace key for 2 times, and now I will type us here. This way the backspace key works. Next is spacebar. As the name suggests, it is used to give blank space. Suppose I want to type let us type, but as you can see there is no space there. I will place my cursor 2 times, one by one. After let, then I will press spacebar. After us, I will place my cursor, and then I will again press spacebar. This way I'll get the space between my words. So spacebar key is used to give spaces between the words. Next type of key is shift key. Now, as I told you when I taught you about the symbol keys, that we need shift key to print the symbols. Let me explain you how. Now I have shown several symbol keys on the left side. We need shift key to press these to get these characters. Let me give you an example. Suppose, as you can see where I have highlighted, there are 2 characters printed, plus and equals to, on a single key. Now how we will get? If I will press this symbol, I will press this key with my finger, I'll get an equals to sign, right? But if I will press shift and then this key, I'll get a plus sign which is on the top. So if we want the character on the top, we will use shift and that key, and we'll get the character on the top. This is the function of shift key. That was all about the chapter, children. I hope you have learned and enjoyed the chapter. Thank you so much for watching.